The defense-focused platform Hammer of War reported that Burkina Faso had taken delivery of a substantial shipment of Chinese-made weaponry, marking a major leap forward for its ground combat capabilities. The package includes VN22B fire support vehicles, PLL-05 120mm self-propelled gun mortars, and SR5 modular multiple rocket launch systems, hardware that underscores the West African nation's strengthening military ties with Beijing. Among the new assets, the SR5 stands out for its dual capability to launch both precision-guided and unguided munitions, granting commanders the option to conduct pinpoint strikes or broad-area bombardment depending on battlefield needs. The VN22B, produced by China's defense giant Norinco, is a highly mobile 6x6 armored platform purpose-built for direct-fire roles in mechanized formations. Outfitted with a stabilized 30mm autocannon, advanced targeting optics, and a modular armor system rated against heavy machine gun rounds and shell fragments, it delivers both speed and protection. With a top road speed exceeding 100 km/h and operational range over 800 km, the VN22B is tailored for fast-paced maneuvers across the Sahel's diverse terrain. Also joining the arsenal is the PLL-05, a hybrid artillery and direct-fire system mounted on a wheeled chassis. Capable of lobbing rounds up to 13 km in indirect mode or delivering armor-piercing fire at close range, it blends versatility with firepower. Thanks to semi-automatic loading, crews can sustain 8 to 10 shots per minute, while GPS and inertial navigation systems allow rapid target acquisition for hit-and-run artillery tactics. The SR5 multiple rocket launcher adds a long-range punch. Using interchangeable pods, it can fire 122mm and 220mm rockets, with guided variants reaching 70 km. Its modularity, quick reload capability, and protection features make it adaptable for both offensive breakthroughs and defensive fire missions. This arms deal comes as Burkina Faso faces a volatile security environment, battling insurgent networks linked to Al-Qaeda and ISIS affiliates in the Greater Sahara. Regional instability in Mali and Niger has compounded the threat, with porous borders enabling militant movements. Since the 2022 coup, Ouagadougou has drifted away from Western defense suppliers, instead deepening its cooperation with members of the Alliance of Sahel states and major non-Western partners, chiefly China and Russia. For Beijing, supplying such systems to Burkina Faso fits into its broader push to expand influence in Africa's defense markets. Competitive pricing, swift deliveries, and bundled support packages have allowed Chinese firms to challenge entrenched Western arms suppliers across the continent. Beyond simply selling weapons, Beijing's strategy often involves training, maintenance, and integrated security solutions, cementing long-term strategic partnerships. The procurement aligns with President Captain Ibrahim Traoré's December 2023 military modernization plan, aimed at transforming Burkina Faso's armed forces into a high-mobility, well-networked, and more heavily protected fighting force. Once integrated, these Chinese platforms are expected to dramatically boost the country's ability to deliver concentrated firepower, support offensive maneuvers, and conduct precision or saturation strikes deep into hostile territory, reshaping the tactical balance across the Sahel.